In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make UI transparent in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. If you want to give Windows 11 a modern glass style appearance with transparent user interface elements, this guide will walk you through the entire process using Windhawk and several customization mods. Start by opening your web browser, search for Windhawk, or visit the official Windhawk website. Once you are on the website, click the download button. After the download finishes, run the downloaded.exe file and follow the installation instructions to install Windhawk on your computer. When the installation is complete, launch Windhawk from the Start menu or from the System Tray icon. Windhawk is a customization tool that allows you to install mods for Windows 11 user interface styling and transparency effects. Now let's make File Explorer transparent. Open Windhawk and click the Explore section. In the search box, type Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Open the result, click Details, and then click Install. Accept the warning and continue with the installation. After the mod is installed, open its Settings tab. Under Theme, select Translucent Explorer 11. Click Save Settings. File Explorer will now use a transparent style. Next, let's apply transparent window effects across windows. In Windhawk, search for Translucent Windows. Open the mod and click Install. After installation, open the Settings page. Enable Windows Theme Custom Rendering. Enable Windows Theme Accent Colorizer. Under Effects, choose Blur Behind. In the Color Blend section, type 0F000000. Enable Immersive Dark Mode. Enable Title Bar. Enable Extend Effects into entire window. After all options are configured, click Save Settings. This creates a glass-like transparency effect across Windows user interface elements. Now let's make the Start menu transparent. Return to the Windhawk search area and search for Windows 11 Start menu styler. Install the mod and open its settings page. Under Theme, select Translucent Start menu. Click Save Settings. Your Windows 11 Start menu will now have a transparent glass effect. Next, let's make the taskbar transparent. Search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler, install the mod, and open the settings page. Under Theme, choose Translucent Taskbar. Click Save Settings. Now let's apply transparency to the Notification Center. Search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Install the mod and open its settings page. Under Theme, select Translucent Shell. Click Save Settings. This applies the transparent glass effect to the Notification Center and related interface panels. For even better results, enable Dark Mode. Open Settings, go to Personalization and then Colors. Set Windows Mode to Dark. Dark Mode makes transparent and glass effects look cleaner and more modern. To extend transparency to even more Windows elements, open Settings again. Go to Personalization, then Colors. Turn on Transparency Effects. This allows supported Windows user interface components to use transparency throughout the system. If you ever want to temporarily disable Windhawk, open the System Tray on the taskbar, right-click the Windhawk icon, and click Exit. If you only want to disable specific mods, open Windhawk and go to the Home section. Use the toggle switch beside any installed mod to disable it. You can also remove mods completely if desired. At this point, your Windows 11 system should have a full glass-style transparent interface, including File Explorer, the Start menu, the taskbar, the Notification Center. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.